This is a 1938 BSA WM20. One of the most important models what BSA made, the British Small Arms. I believe this was a model which was made for the military dispatch riders, which was used in the World War II, and probably a lakhs of model made, and I am one of the owner. Waited for this bike from past 18 years, and fortunately got this one in June 2011. Well, we spent a considerable time in restoring. The engine and all was quite good, but still we rehauled it. I can just show you the strokes of the vehicle while I started. The gas is on here, and that's nice. It starts at the first kick. And you can see each and every stroke is sounding. Well, if you look at the bike quite carefully, it has girder forks. These were the forks prior to the typical World War II models. They didn't had any shock absorbers here. They just had this fork, but it's absolutely quite sturdy. And the most important thing, what I like about the BSA is the handle, which is extremely comfortable. I have ridden quite some models like the Royal Enfield, the AJs and whatsoever, but the grip and posture, what I have on the BSA is amazing. It has got extremely good road stability, and the levers are too good. Like the clutch or the front brake lever are very good and gives you a good handle grip. The gas tank, I had some minor restoration over the cap, and well, I have to repaint it, but that's fine. This is the typical British models, what generally the gas tanks have with. And the best important thing about my bike is I have not changed it even an inch in the originality. It retains the original Hamal carburetor, and you can see the Birmingham, England, the Hamal Birmingham, England written on it. I mean, it is the same carburetor which has come with this bike from 1938 maybe. We have gone some minor changes with the silencer. I have to change the bend pipe or perhaps repaint it. The footrest and then the gear lever, everything remains the same. And well, we have changed the oil cap. The original one was a bit worn out, and we just fixed it with a steel one. And rest everything remains the same. You can see this is a rigid suspension. There are no shock absorbers in the back, and the rims are extremely good. I can't believe these are the same rims fitted on the vehicle from 1938. If I show you down carefully, you can see the Made in England mark on the rims also. And the vehicle ticks like a Swiss watch. The lovely horn, it has the typical sound of the British bikes. And the best part of the bike is, if I take it around in busy traffic, everybody asks me, hey, where is this bike from and from where did you get it? And I give them a proud history. Well, my grandfather too had the BSA B31, and we did lose that bike somewhere. Someone took it away, and this was a passion which I bought, and now I'm going to start this bike for you, and you can hear its lovely strokes. I hope it starts at the first kick. Let's believe. BSA is sound of the air filter. Kiss sound. And now I'm just taking it on a trial, and you can see to it. I will just push the AC out from the stand and take it. That's a heavy bike for me. We are ready for the go. The first gear, and bye. See you. So, one of the happy customers of the BSC M20 even today, the 1938 model is perfect, and I mean it's a beautiful bike. I'm just happy. चल वाला So I hope you did enjoy this clip on my bike. Yes, yes. Thank you.